Meanwhile, 15 days without hot water. That is the reality for neighbors at a Prince George's County apartment. But tonight, one of them called us, and now there are promises of action. Jay Korf has this 7 on Your Side exclusive. Jay?
Allison, 7 on Your Side got involved when we found out some of these folks hadn't had hot water for more than 2 weeks. Janice Farmer says 15 days ago her hot water went ice cold.
It's freezing.
She says managers at Oaks at Park South and Oxon Hill told her time and again that the problem was being fixed.
They haven't done anything but give me false promises that they're going to fix it.
She was using pots to boil water for bathing and now stays with relatives.
It's impossible to wash anything in this water. It's freezing.
Her daughter even bought a thermometer. After running the hot water for us for several minutes, well, it barely reached 50 degrees. She posted flyers to warn other residents in the same predicament, like Ivory Hutchins.
I have 4 kids and my nieces is here, and it's just hard because we have to boil water and put it in a tub for them to take baths. 7
on Your Side urged residents to call county officials, who confirmed to us that no hot water in an apartment is a violation. An inspector was sent out and reported back Monday that apartment management says hot water heaters will arrive and be installed Tuesday. Residents we spoke with remain skeptical.
I'm glad that, that somebody came out that cared, because this is ridiculous that people have to pay their rent and, suffer like this.
And county leaders tell me that if that apartment complex doesn't install those hot water heaters as promised on Tuesday, they can begin to take some legal action directed at that complex. A manager there declined to comment for this story. Live in the newsroom, Jay Korf, ABC 7 News.
Okay, thank you, Jay.